Good morning, children. Today we are going to start chapter number 3, that is data handling. Now, first of all, I want to give you the introduction. Now, in your previous classes, you have dealt with various types of data. You have learned to collect data, tabulate, and put it in the form of bar graphs. The collection, the recording, and the presentation of data help us organize our experiences and draw inferences from them. In this chapter, we will take one more step towards learning how to do this. Now, you will come across some more kinds of data and graphs. You have seen several kinds of data through newspapers, magazines, television, and other sources. Now, you also know that all the data give us some sort of information. Let us look at some common forms of data that you come across. Now you can see that in table number 3.1, temperatures of cities as on 20th June 2006 has been given. The name of the cities are Ahmedabad, Amritsar, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Jaipur, Jammu and Mumbai. And the maximum and minimum temperature has been given. Now which is like this: for Ahmedabad 38 degrees Celsius and 29 degrees Celsius. For Amritsar 37 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius. For Bangalore 28 degrees Celsius and 21 degrees Celsius. For Chennai 36 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. For Delhi 38 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius. For Jaipur 39 degrees Celsius and 29 degrees Celsius. For Jammu 41 degrees Celsius and 26 degrees Celsius. For Mumbai 32 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Then in table number 3.2, the Football World Cup 2006 has been given. Now it is given that Ukraine beat Saudi Arabia by 4-0, Spain beat Tunisia by 3-1, Switzerland beat Togo by 2-0. In table number 3, it is given that data showing weekly absentees in a class. On Monday, 3 students were absent. On Tuesday, 1 was absent. On Wednesday, nobody was absent. On Thursday, 5 of them were absent. On Friday, 2 were absent. On Saturday, 4 were absent. Yes, then there is one more table that is showing marks of 5 students in a Hindi test of 10 marks. That is 4, 5, 8, 6 and 7. Now, what do these collections of data tell you? For example, you can say that the highest maximum temperature was in Jammu on 20th June. It is clear from table number 3.1. Or you can say that on Wednesday no child was absent. This you can get from table number 3.2. Now we can organize and present these data in a different way so that their analysis and interpretation becomes better. Now we will learn about some definitions. Data: a collection of numerical figures giving some particular type of information is called data. Let us take one example. The heights in centimeter of 11 players in the school are 155, 148, 161, 144, 159, 152, 147, 163, 156, 150 and 165. Now we call it the data related to the heights of 11 players in a school. Now we can take one more example. The marks obtained by 10 pupils in a class test out of 50 are 42, 12, 23, 8, 46, 34, 18, 29, 45 and 37. Now we call it the data related to the marks obtained by 10 pupils in a class test. Now raw data. Data obtained in the original form is called raw data. Now data given in each of the above examples is a raw data. Now array. Arranging the numerical figures of a data in ascending or descending order is called an array. Now tabulation of data. Arranging the data in a systematic form in the form of a table is called tabulation of the data. Now observation. Each numerical figure in a data is called an observation. Now frequency of an observation. The number of times a particular observation occurs is called its frequency. Statistics. It is the subject that deals with the collection, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical data. Now we will learn about arithmetic mean. The most common representative value of a group of data is the arithmetic mean or the mean. To understand this in a better way, let us look at the following example. Now, two vessels contain 20 liters and 60 liters of milk respectively. Now, what is the amount that each vessel would have if both share the milk equally? When we ask this question, we are seeking the arithmetic mean. In the above case, the average or the arithmetic mean would be total quantity of milk divided by number of vessels, that is 20 plus 60 divided by 2 liters. The answer will be 40 liters. Thus, each vessel would have 40 liters of milk. The average or arithmetic mean or AM or simply mean is defined as follows. Mean equals to sum of all observations divided by number of observations. I think this formula is clear, that the mean is equals to sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. Now, range. The difference between the highest and the lowest observation gives us an idea of the spread of the observation. This can be found by subtracting the lowest observation from the highest observation. We call the result the range of the observation. Now, let us take some example. Now, the ages in years of 10 teachers of a school are given: 32, 41, 28, 54, 35, 26, 23, 33, 38 and 40. Now, if I'll ask you some questions, you'll have to give the answer. The first question is, what is the age of the oldest teacher and that of the youngest teacher? Now, by seeing the data, you can say, give the answer to me. Okay. Now, the solution will be that first of all, you will have to arrange the ages in ascending order. That will be 23, 26, 28, 32, 33, 35, 38, 40, 41 and 54. Now we find that the age of the oldest teacher is 54 years and the age of the youngest teacher is 23 years. Then I am asking, what is the range of the age of the teachers? Then you will have to subtract 54 and 23. Answer is 31. So what is the range? 31 years is the range. Then I am asking you, what is the mean age of these teachers? All of you know that the formula of mean is that you will have to add all the numbers and then divide it by the number of observations. Means 23 plus 26 plus 28 plus 32 plus 33 plus 35 plus 38 plus 40 plus 41 plus 54 divided by 10. So the answer will be 35 years. Now this is the mean. I think mean, range, everything is clear. Now students, today I'll be giving you the work related to mean and range only. Please do it. Thank you.